I'm Brad Carnes from Broadway, Virginia.
Keith Adams from Fayetteville, North Carolina.
I'm Jason Splinter. I'm from Kingston, Ontario.
My name is Blake Daughtery. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
My name's Mike. I'm from Coalport, Pennsylvania.
The exterior training, it was very informative. It was knowing the steps and the procedures to take during the setup and the cleanup, the different products to use, when to use them, in what situations, and also to just the methods that are used and the different the tools that we used. It was very informative.
Well, it's well needed, much needed. As a beginner, I didn't know too much about the polishers, even how to hold them, but I'm glad I came here. It was much needed. Got the experience I need. I'm looking to build on that.
So far, I think it's great. You guys show new tricks, and we had different steam roots in the flex. So let's try both of them. And the different compounds and waxes that you guys provide and you guys have.
I thought it was well needed. I thought it polished up a lot of my skills, and they walked us through everything as far as how to do the compounding and also the clay bar, and how to make the job a lot easier and efficient when you're doing a good detail.
A couple of things I didn't know, like about the waxes and sealants. And it really does take you step by step to make it really hard to actually mess it up. The wet sanding was interesting. I had no idea anything about that.
The interior training was very informative. It went really well. We were able to learn a lot about the extraction process and the steam cleaning, which will make the process go a lot quicker, and it shows a really good overall overview of the entire process and being able to get a complete detail in a good, timely fashion.
Today's interior training was very detailed. I got to use some equipment and some things to clean with that I never knew existed. I like the trim, how to gloss the trim up. That was real good. I like that because I always want to know how can I keep my trim looking good. So now I know how to keep everybody else's trim looking good.
Interior training is very detailed. The instructors and everyone here has been very helpful and very understanding, and give a nice, fun atmosphere to detail in the car.
I thought it was very essential, especially if you want to have a successful detailing business. I thought it was a lot of key things that they taught us that was necessary, and polish up on some skills. I definitely like the pearl gloss. It kind of enhanced the interior with the plastic, the plastic shine and whatnot.
It was nice. I learned a lot of new things. It was very intelligently presented. Went over a lot of topics. Gave us ways to get those nooks and crannies out.
Oh yeah, definitely. Especially with, regardless of your experience that you've had in the past, it's a good refresher. It's a good, if you don't have any experience at all, it gives you the steps and the proper process to go from point A to point Z, to getting everything complete in an entire detail, whether it be if you wanted a quick process or if you needed to do the entire overhaul on an entire vehicle. It is a great learning experience for somebody that's new or somebody that just needs a refresher. So I would recommend it to anybody.
Most definitely, I have to recommend this. This is a good class, good school to go to. A lot of work, a lot of things you need to learn, and it'll teach you.
Yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Most definitely. The last 3 days, very informative. Learned a lot. A lot of stuff that that will help you along in the long run. And you guys, the Detail Kings, have said that there always will be here for you guys, for us, and proven them with their instructors, even coming from a couple hours away, just to help us out, just to come out, really proves that fact.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend Detail King to other people, especially if they're trying to be serious in the automotive detailing. It's a great school to enhance your skills, and they're thoroughly equipped for good work. So.
Yeah, I'd recommend it to a lot of people. There's a lot of people that like think they know what they're doing and they kind of don't, and they would learn a lot here.